I'm an intern working in Lexus and Company, and I'm going to present on the topic tribunals. So, tribunals are quasi-judicial institution different from the courts. Um, it is a less formal and less expensive way to get faster justice. The reason for the establishment of tribunals came into picture when during the 1960s or 70s, when the judiciary was proving inefficient in providing justice on the matters, especially in the outside the criminal or civil purposes, such as the administrative matters, tax matters, and environmental matters, and so on. So the and also the traditional judiciary matter court system was proven to be costly, expensive, and prolonged due to the procedural requirements. So tribunals are mechanized to adjudicate on the matters, determine the rights of the parties, give the decision on the matter, as well as review the disputes of the considered jurisdiction. The word origin of the tribunal came from the tribunes, which is the uh, magistrate of the Roman Republic, and that person had the role to look after the aristocratic matters and protect the citizen against the powerful aristocrats as well. So the tribunals look have the benefit came up with the benefits to reduce the pendency of cases upon the courts. The also reduce also provide the forum for lawyers and experts who had the specialized knowledge to give a better solution to to that particular matters. Um, the constitutional provisions which came into the picture for the establishment of tribunals were Article 323A for administrative tribunals and Article 323B for the other matters. The other matters include the taxation, motor vehicles, foodstuff, which can be also said as Consumer Protection Act, the taxation, the import and export, industrial and labor, rent and tenancy, environmental issues, etc. So these tribunals can take much better decision in respect to their specialized knowledge and skills gathered by the judges and lawyers. So the points of difference between the Article 323A and 323B, which are for tribunals, are as such that the 323A is for the public services matter, and the 323B is for other matters, which I discussed earlier also. The second is that Parliament has the control over the administrative, the 323A article. But in the other tribunals, the control is over by the Parliament as well as state legislature. And for the administrative tribunals, due to the high number of matters under the administrative, such as GST, taxes, and all. Uh, there is one tribunal in the center, and each tribunal in each of the one tribunal in each of the state, and there is no hierarchy for the other matters. Only one tribunal in the center for the other matters, one each for the matter. Thank you. This is it for the presentation.